यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं हम editorial Times of India, and topic is why cyclone Biparjoy is so unusual and deadly, and this come under the topic GS paper third, and it can also can ask in GS paper 1. Okay, so here is in news in there telling that I cyclone storm Biparjoy continue its journey northward in the East Central Arabian Sea. The IMD and Indian Meteorological Department issue an orange alert for South Saurashtra and Kutch coast in Gujarat. Okay. Why is Biparjoy unusual? तो यहाँ पर कह रहा है Biparjoy the first cyclone in the Arabian Sea this year, escalating from a cyclone circulation to very severe cyclonic storm in just 48 hours, defying earlier prediction. आगे क्या कह रहा है? It has sustained its strength for a longer than normal duration. May it may become the cyclone with the longest lifespan in the Arabian Sea. Why this happening? This happening this happening according to the study, changing status of tropical cyclone is the North Indian Ocean, and the cyclone storm over the Arabian Sea over the becoming more frequent, severe under the influence of global warming. Cyclones were persisting for the longer period in the Arabian Sea, increasing the chance of the more severe storm. The study see that there has been 80% increase in the duration of cyclone in the Arabian Sea in the last 4 decades, and with the duration of the very severe cyclone having increased by 260. Next paragraph, the study indicate a major shift in the pattern of the cyclone in the North Indian Ocean region, making the Gujarat coast more vulnerable to the cyclone. Impact देखेंगे. The impact of the longer duration of the cyclone. Longer duration of a cyclone impact the number of the fishing day in the open sea, and thus hitting the livelihood. Longer duration longer of a cyclone storm remain over the sea, the more energy and moisture it is likely to be accumulated. This will cause more disasters after the landfall. Change pattern of the cyclone over the Arabian Sea. There has been a 52% increase in the number of cyclones in the Arabian Sea since 1982, along with a 150% increase in very severe cyclone. There has been increase in the frequency of the cyclone developing near the onset of the monsoon. Cyclone activity of the Bay of Bengal. साइक्लोन एक्टिविटी ऑफ द बे ऑफ बंगाल के बारे में क्या बोल रहा है? देयर हैज बीन 8% decrease in the cyclone over Bay of Bengal. Frequency and duration of the very intense tropical cyclone have reduced over Bay of Bengal. Notes में क्या कर रहा है? The cyclone activity in the Bay of Bengal is generally higher than that of the Arabian Sea, but the ratio of frequency, number of cyclone in the Bay of Bengal to the number of cyclone in the Arabian Sea has been reduced from 2.7 to 1.6. Measure taken to minimize the impact of biopourjoy. Pre-disaster measure, the total suspension of all the activity and safe evacuation, pre-positioning of NDRF team, close monitoring of the situation in the Gir National Park, only known habitat of ascetic, and post-disaster detailed analysis of the event.